So guys, today is Wednesday and I'm not going to be celebrating the birthday because today is working day. Everybody have gone to work, so I'm alone with my daughter at home and we are just eating, sleeping, eat, sleep. That's all we have been doing since morning. Yes. And it's currently I think 4 o'clock. Yeah. So I decided to film this video and just do some little makeup so I will look good on my birthday, as in still look kind of, I still look good small. Yeah.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your star.
Hi guys. Hi. Yeah. Hi guys. It's not morning. It's already 2 o'clock and it's your baby girl birthday. It's my birthday today, and it's working day. Nobody at home. My husband, my friends, everybody have gone to work and I'm just alone with my baby at home. So guys, we are not going to be doing too much. I'm not going to be doing anything because I showed you guys yesterday when my husband took me out to go and buy me my gold necklace, which I was quite surprised he bought for me. Yeah, because it was pricey. Which I was surprised he bought for me, but it's all good. So guys, what I'm going to be doing today is just going to have my shower, brush my teeth and relax, like just relax my head. I'm not going to be doing too much, but with my baby I don't think that will happen, but I will try my best to relax. But after that, I'm going to be showing you guys the necklace my husband bought for me. As in, I didn't expect him to buy me the necklace because I told him that I want necklace and it was expensive, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. It was expensive. Like, and he said, don't worry, on your birthday I'll buy it for you. And I was like, okay, relax, I know you're not going to buy it. But surprisingly yesterday he said, baby, let's go, let me go and buy you the necklace. I was like, you are joking? He said, no, I'm not joking. We got there and I showed him the price. It was like, it's expensive, I'm not going to buy it. I said, okay, let's go. And later I said, no, let me buy it for you because it's your birthday and you're special. I know on his birthday he told me he needed expensive food, which I didn't buy. But you really need food to use now. Just to put your SIM card.
But
man.
you said anything that I pick, you pay for me. Like this. Maybe don't leave there. This is what I want. Okay, let me pick cheap phone. What about this one? 1,000. I think 1,059.
1,059 is almost convert to naira.
Babe, this is Europe, man.
Maybe let's convert. Okay, 50 euro. 50 euro is
Let's say
euro is 50,000. Hi guys. So guys, I decided to come to you guys with a beautiful face. Yeah, I know. I went to do my makeup, which I told you guys I'm not going anywhere. So I decided to just do a little bit makeup. I just beat my face most cause sit down for showing myself. I'm feeling myself. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. So this is the gift my husband bought for me. It's like I'm super excited because I didn't expect him to buy me this thing. Like, I've been asking him for this thing for a long time and I know he would definitely buy it for me, but the time I asked him, he just like told me, don't worry, I will buy it, but not now. Which I said, okay, it's fine. I know it's pricey, but if you can't buy it for me, it's fine. And on his birthday, he asked for a phone, not really that expensive phone because, madam, I don't get money, so I buy the one my money to me. So guys, yesterday he told me, baby, let's go out. Okay, He said because he didn't go to work yesterday, he was at home yesterday, so he said, baby, let's go and let me go and buy you something. And I was like, buy me what? I don't need anything. And he said, okay, let's just take a walk, let's take a stroll, let's go out, let's just leave the house. And I said, okay, no problem, let's go. So we went out to drink ice cream. We go to Zara, we go to Foot Locker, and I got some t-shirts. We buy some t-shirts. I'll show you guys in a bit. So guys, this is the gift. This is the gift, guys. Let's take a picture. I'm so excited. So guys, let's unbox it together. Let's unbox it. It's like I've talked too much now. Like my mouth also did wrong. Let's just unbox it. Yeah. So guys, this is it. So guys, let me put it on and show you guys how it looks in mine. I'll show you guys how it looks. So guys, can you guys see? Like I love it. Like I love it. I'm not even kidding. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what my husband bought for me on my birthday. I'm not even joking. I love the necklace. In case you need something like this, just go to Swarovski and tell them this is exactly what you want, and bet me they'll bring it out for you. So guys, I'm ending this vlog now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.